VLAN Trunking, Multiswitch Broadcast Domains. In the previous lesson, we explained that when a broadcast frame is received on any switch port, the switch forwards it out to all its other ports. Having that in mind, if we connect two default setting switches, as shown in Figure 1, any broadcast frame received by either switch is forwarded to the other one, and then out all its ports. Therefore, a broadcast domain is not limited to one switch only. It includes all devices that get a copy of any broadcast frame, even if they are connected to other switches. If we scale this logic to a LAN with tens of interconnected switches, we could have a broadcast domain consisting of hundreds of end devices. This, at some point, can contest the network with bum traffic to the point that the LAN becomes unusable. Thus, splitting the single broadcast domain into multiple smaller ones is even more important in large topologies for interconnected switches.